Does your millet dosa turn hard, dry, or break while spreading? Today let's make super soft millet dosa without rice using simple ingredients. This healthy breakfast recipe is perfect for weight loss, diabetes, and busy mornings. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a soft millet dosa recipe without rice and without maida. This dosa comes out soft inside with slightly crispy edges and tastes amazing with chutney or sambar. To make this soft millet dosa, we need 1 cup pearl millet, also known as kambu in Tamil and bajra in Hindi. 1/4 cup whole urad dal, also known as ulundu. 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, salt as needed, and 2 tablespoons thick aval or poha. Step 1. Soaking. First wash the millet well 2 to 3 times. Then wash the urad dal 2 to 3 times. Now add fenugreek seeds to the urad dal. Add enough water and soak separately for about 6 hours. Before grinding, soak the aval for 15 minutes. This is the secret ingredient that helps make the dosa soft and gives a nice texture. Grinding. Rinse the millet and urad dal once, then mix the ingredients together. Also add the soaked aval. Place all in a mixie or grinder. A blender will do too. Add enough water to run the mixie or grinder just slightly above the level of the ingredients. Grind the ingredients until light and fluffy. Scrape down in between. Continue grinding until you get a smooth batter. It should feel just slightly gritty. Pour the batter into a glass or ceramic bowl. Do not use a stainless steel or metal bowl as the batter will react with metals during fermentation. This part is important. Mix well using your hand to incorporate air. This helps to encourage better fermentation. Step 3. Fermentation. Cover and ferment overnight or for about 8 to 10 hours depending on the weather. After fermentation, the batter becomes airy and slightly risen. You should be able to see bubbles like this. Add some salt to taste before cooking and mix well. I'm adding 3/4 teaspoon salt. Step 4. Cooking. Heat the dosa tawa or griddle well. You can use a non-stick griddle for easier handling. Pour a little oil and spread it out to coat the griddle. Then pour a ladle of batter and spread it gently in a circular motion. Do not spread too thin as the dosa will become crispy. You can drizzle some oil around the edges, but it's not really necessary. Cook until golden brown on one side. When the edges start to turn brownish, flip over to cook the other side. Do not cook too long as the millet dosa will turn out hard. The dosa looks cooked now. We can fold it over. Lift it off the pan. See how soft and beautiful the dosa looks. This dosa is soft inside, slightly crispy outside, and tastes so delicious. Perfect healthy breakfast with nutritious millet. Step 5. Serving. Millet dosa can be served hot with coconut chutney, tomato chutney, or sambar. If you enjoyed this healthy millet recipe, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments if you want more millet breakfast recipes or healthy dosa recipes. See you in the next video.